Hello everybody, today I did this hairstyle. Let me show it to you. And if you want to see how I did it, please stay and watch. Okay, I already brushed my hair and I'm gonna go ahead and wet it only in this side, right here at the beginning. I'm gonna spray some water because I want to make sure this area is nice and wet, so I will not have any flying away hairs. Now I'm going to part my hair in the middle. Just like so. See? And I'm gonna be using a comb like this one. And see, I'm gonna grab all this space, which is about 3 fingers, and I'm gonna grab the tail of this comb and I'm gonna try to draw a line to separate the hair. And I'm going to grab one of those and separate my hair. So once I did that, I'm gonna comb this part and I'm gonna braid it. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm gonna part some of the hair. See, just like so. I'm going to divide this part into 3 parts. See? And I'm going to start braiding it just like a regular braid, but I'm just going to start the braid. I'm not going to finish it. So once I start the braid, I'm gonna grab this last part right here and I'm gonna grab a little of the hair and I'm gonna continue braiding. I'm gonna do the same thing with this part of the 3 parts. Grab a little piece of hair and I'm gonna braid. Gonna grab some more hair and I'm going to continue braiding until I'm finished. Until I don't have any more hair to pick up. When I don't have any more hair to pick up, I'm just going to finish the braid to the very end. And you should have something like this. See? I'm going to do it again in this side so that you can see better. Then I'm just going to put the back of the hair down, just like so. And I'm going to divide it in half. See, going to separate one half and another half. I'm gonna pick at this one And with a click, I'm gonna hold it there, just like so. So I want to say something before I forget. I have naturally curly hair, and in my case, whenever I braid my hair, the braid stays there. It doesn't move, it doesn't get loose or anything, so I don't need to tie it at the end. If you have another type of hair that whenever you braid it, the braid get loose all over the place, so just make sure to tie your braid with a elastic band here at the end. So once we got this and this, we're gonna put the braid right on the back, and if you want to, you can pull it a little, and that will make your face look a little tighter, you know, like you have a little surgery done to you. And you will look a little thinner too, so you can do that. But me, I'm not gonna do it because it does give me a little of a headache if I put the braid really tight, you know, but you can do it. So I'm just gonna put it on the back. I'm gonna grab those bobby pins, and I'm gonna make sure my braid stays there. And I like to use 2 or 3 bobby pins to make sure my braid is secure in there, but you can use as many or as little as you think you need. And it should look like this. Let me show you on the back. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just let my hair down, just like so. So now that my hair is down, I'm gonna take just a little part right here. See, a thin part. And since my hair looks a little frizzy right now, it has some frizz, some flyaways, I'm gonna smooth that out with a curling iron, or with an iron. This is just an iron, but I'm not going to do that in all the hair, no, just on the front part. So I'm gonna get this part right here, see, and as you can see the difference, let me show you between this hair texture versus this one. Here you had a lot of frizz, you know, hairs all over the place, little tiny hairs all over the place, versus here, and I hope the camera can catch it, you don't have any. So for me, doing this, it works. Maybe you have another techniques to get rid of the flyaway hairs, and you can write, if you do, write to me and tell me which one is it. I will be very interesting to know. So anyway, so that's why I do this. You can use anything, a curling iron, a fly iron. I use this one because it's faster and it's easy. And I'm only doing just the front part. I'm not doing the whole hair. So now that I did that, I'm gonna leave the nice smooth hair right there. And I'm gonna take another piece of hair, not much, just like so, just like so, and I'm gonna grab my comb and I'm going to start teasing the hair. Then I'm going to grab more hair, which this time is very much close to where the braids are. See? And I'm going to start teasing this part too. Now that I have finished teasing the back part, I'm going to go ahead and start teasing the sides. But I'm not going to touch the hair that I already put the iron on. No, I'm going to touch the other hair. So just try to separate it. And the reason why I'm teasing the side parts is because I want for the hair to have volume all around, not just on the back part. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead. I think I need a little more volume here, so I'm gonna tease it a little more. Once I did that, I'm gonna grab my hair. I'm going to grab elastic band like this, and I'm going to do a ponytail. But the ponytail is going to be a low ponytail. It's not going to be a high one. In me, when I'm doing the ponytail, I like for the very last, instead of going all the way out with the hair, I like to leave the hair halfway through like that. So I got a little bump going on. So now I'm gonna try to make my bang a little bigger just by stretching it out, and I'm going to check it in a minute to see how it looks. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pulling my hair. Because I want to lift it up. I want to get all that volume that I work for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that hair out a little to make sure I have that volume. Now I want to show you something. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I have short hair, and as you can see, my band that I try to make here looks really tiny. So what I like to do is to use some fake bands that you can buy. So I have two of them. I have this big one, and that looks like it's braided, which I really like that. I think it's a very pretty design. And I also have this one that looks like a bird's nest, which I really like too. I think it's pretty. And this one is smaller than this one. You can see the difference there in sizes. So I like to wear those whenever I do this hairstyle and I'm gonna go out. But if you don't want to wear that, that's okay. You can just use your own hair, especially if you have long hair, then you can really do a nice big band, right? But if you have short hair like me, you can use those fake ones, or you can just do this, you know, your own hair, but a tiny one. Either way, it's up to you what you want to do. I want to show you how those fake bands look. And the way you secure those is they have combs here. See? So those combs enter in your hair, and that's what it will keep them secure. And you can also put bobby pins to make it feel more secure. I'm not going to put any bobby pins right now because I'm going to show you both of them. So I don't want to put bobby pins and then take them out and put the bobby pins again. But I do want to show you how they look. You grab the comb, I hope you can see it, and you put it in there. And then you grab the other comb and put it underneath. See how nice and elegant that looks? I love it. See, because it's a big band, not too big to be honest with you. It's kind of a medium. So let me show you the other option. The big one. This one only have one comb right there. So, and it's the same thing. You just put it on top of your original bun and there. See? And then secure it with, I'm gonna put a bobby pin because this one only have one comb, so you have to make sure to secure it well so it doesn't go all over the place. See, and this is how it looks with the big one. But my favorite one for this hairstyle is this one. So that's the one I'm gonna be wearing. And we're pretty much done. Now the only thing left to do is to make sure to smooth the hair, to make sure everything looks nice. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope that you like it. I myself like this hairstyle very much, and I use it a lot because it looks like you put a lot of effort into doing your hair, but you didn't. And something that I do wanted to say, I like to use the small one whenever I do a ponytail that is a low ponytail, you know, right here. But I like to use this big one whenever it's a high or kind of middle ponytail, or if I'm going to do my hair really flat, you know, with not volume at all, then I would like to use this one. so that it kind of contrasts a little. But anyway, but you can use either of those, or you can use your own hair, whichever you wish to do is up to you. I think either way looks nice in my opinion. But anyway, thank you very much for being here today with me. I really appreciate it. I hope that you enjoy this hairstyle. I'm gonna try to do some more of them to show you another things that I do with my hair. So thank you very much, and I see you next time. If you like this video, please give me your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Let me know what is it that you're seeing and what is it that you want to see next. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.